If you want to uninstall Cursor AI from Windows, this video will walk you through the easiest way to remove it completely using the control panel. Whether you installed it for testing or you're just ready to free up space on your PC, this method is quick and simple to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go down to the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Once it appears in the search results, click on it to open the Control Panel window. From there, look for the option that says Uninstall a Program. This will open a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list and find Cursor AI. If you have a lot of programs installed, take your time and look carefully so you select the correct one. Once you find it, click on Cursor AI to highlight it. After that, go to the top of the window and click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program, so just follow any prompts that appear and continue the uninstall process. Depending on your system, the removal may take a few moments to complete. When it's finished, Cursor AI should be removed from your Windows computer. If you want to make sure it's fully gone, you can also check that the app no longer appears in your installed programs list. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Cursor AI from Windows using the control panel. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.